Hi everybody and welcome to Module 5, Lesson 30. The top part is multiplication by 9. So if you remember your 9 check, let me move my camera up just a little bit so you guys have a little more of the side. Sorry if that made you a little nauseous because it did me while I'm watching it. So if you're having trouble with 9s, please remember that you have your hands. Let's see if I can get my hands to fit in this part. So if you're doing 9, so the first one is 3 times 9. So if you have your hands here, I'm trying to keep them smushed in here. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3. So this one goes down. The ones before the finger that's down is your 10 spot. So I have 2 fingers before my finger that's down, so it'd be 2. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I have 7 after my finger that's down. So I have a 2 and a 7, which would make 3 times 9, 27. So just a way to think of that. For this lesson, we were talking about how to equally divide your lines. This is actually kind of more of a review, so it's an easier way to end up this unit. So we're dividing this into thirds. So this is 1/3. So we're going to count on every third. We're going to count by threes, basically. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be a division of it. 1, 2, 3. That's going to be a division of it. 1, 2, 3. That's a division of it. 1, 2, 3 thirds. So using a number line similar to what we're doing it, that would be how we divide this entire line into chunks of 3. So there's 1 chunk, 2 chunks, 3 chunks, 4 chunks of line. And they are all equidistant and divided into thirds. So this next line, we're partitioning it into fourths. So we're going to count by 4s because we're doing fourths. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my first division. 1, 2, 3, 4. My second division. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my third division. If you think you've got the hang of that, feel free. Now, the next one. This is partition the line into halves. Initially, I was thinking, halves would be right in half. But we're dividing it into halves, which would be 1/2. So every 2. So we're going to divide it into halves. So we're going to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we're dividing that into halves. I'm not sure I interpreted it the way they wanted me to, but that's how I interpret it because we're looking at the fractions. This one we're going to be doing into sixths. So we're going to count over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into sixths. All right, so we're going to come down here. Sebastian has a piece of rope that is 12 inches in length. So it's the same length as we've been dealing with up here, so 12. He cuts the rope into sections that are 4 inches long. How many equal pieces did he cut? Draw a number line to show your work. So we're going to draw from all the way over. Try to keep it as equal as we can. We're going to do 0 and a 12. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're going to do, I'm going to grab another marker. See if I've got one handy. Oh, what color are you? Oh, red, you'll work great. So 12 lines on my rope. My 12 lines cut out for my length. And we're going to section it off into sections of 4. So each section is 4 sections long. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is one section. So then we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now he's got 2 sections. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 sections. So how many equal pieces does he cut? He will cut it into 3 sections. This is kind of a strange lesson to throw in at the end of the unit, but I hope you enjoyed it today. And that is Module 5, Lesson 30. We're wrapping this up, and tomorrow we will start Module 2. I know we're going backwards, but that's kind of how we worked it out this year. Module 2 is kind of strange. It has measurement and time and all kinds of stuff going on in it. So thank you for watching.